Riri arathiarera maugite mbura nene no iguthii na mbere na guthandana na gucungiriria miaraho. Thirikari ni iguthukite gutangikira undu uyu. Minista wa uruti wira wa muingi Geoffrey Rukwagi honge itiganite gutangikira undu uyu. Akiaria hindi icera riake mwena wa Ruaraka kaunti-ini ya Nairobi kuria mutumia umwe na kana gake meri gakuhuruka, Rukuni ahithuritie ati micii 55 niyo ihutitio ni muiyuro wa mai, guku na kwa andu 200 magithama kuma micii yao ni mbura iria irathii na mbere guthandana.
Ni jukumu ya serikali kuhakikisha kwamba hakuna Mkenya yeyote yule anapoteza maisha yake, na pia kuhakikisha kwamba there is no destruction of properties, may it be through such kind of fronts or any other thing. Protection of our rights, of the rights of Kenyans, and protection of properties is one of the key and cardinal responsibility of government.
Rukwirite aria othe mahutitio ni muiyuro wa mai ati thirikari ni heanite uteithio wa irio na indo ingi, akiuga thirikari no iguthii na mbere na kugitira miturire ya Kenya kugerera ruhonge rwa mibango ya mwanya.
Kupitia serikali tumehakikisha ya kwamba chakula ya wale ambao wameathirika imefika. Pia tumehakikisha ya kwamba mattresses ya wale ambao wanaweza kuwa wamekuwa affected.
Oho Rukaugite thirikari unyitaniri na anyiti itemi angi ni iguthamia andu aria maikaraga miena iria iri ugwati-ini wa muiyuro wa mai, akiuga watho ni ukurumirirwo hindi ya mihango ino.
So as measures to ensure such kind of calamities is not going to happen again, I have instructed the Principal Secretary Special Program moving forward to ensure is going to set a multi-agency team which will include Nairobi Water Sewerage Company, Nairobi River Commission, as well as representative of Nairobi County Government, to check on modalities, on ways what we can do to ensure the drainage systems, once we have all these water coming upstream, are not going to affect the household in this area.
Ona kuri uguo Rukuni ikite aritana kuri andu aria maikaraga miena iria iri ugwati-ini wa muiyuro mabe mathame niguo kugiririria ikuo iria ciumanaga na muiyuro.
Chief na assistant chief na sub county DCC mchukue hiyo list polepole ya kujua ni familia gani siko katika hali ya hatari, na kama vile mheshimiwa amesema tuhakikishe wale ambao wanaonekana wako katika nafasi ambayo inaweza leta shinda waondoke polepole.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Nduta wa Buthia.